Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a shape in your whiteboard presentations on Wrike transparent, for example, to customize its fill color and to make it or change its opacity. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your whiteboard presentation inside the given space. Select the shape or add one by clicking into this button here at the bottom. I will go with this speech bubble here. So left click into it, and here you will see this formatting and customization options, like for example changing the border style and border color, as well as the fill color. So click into it. As you can see, there's currently no fill color, so to make it transparent we will need to add a color first and change its opacity. Then click into it, and here at the top you will see these two options, either no fill or opacity. So you may use that slider here to adjust the transparency. Let's say to 20% opacity. And as you can see, the blue color is barely visible, so let me adjust it a little bit more to 40%, and now it's transparent. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.